Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about what are the best cryptocurrencies you can buy in the year 2023, probably during a recession and when the money supply is contracting. So it's not a bull run, it's a bear run. So I'm going to talk about the 5 cryptocurrencies that probably will survive this bear run, and if they survive they will probably give pretty good returns. So let me show you a thing that I have prepared. You can go to coinmarketcap.com/historical. Okay, this is the URL. So um, let's go to 2014 January 5th. Okay, so this is 2014 January 5th, and this is the how CoinMarketCap looked back then. So these are the top coins of that time. So if you wanted to, let's say, buy at that time, let's see how many coins are there in how many coins I recognize among these. Okay, Bitcoin, that is one, Litecoin 2, XRP 3, Coin I don't recognize, Omnicoin I don't recognize. Next, Namecoin, BitShares, Squawk, Megacoin I don't recognize any of these. Primecoin, Feathercoin, Novacoin, Infinitecoin, Dogecoin I do recognize. Netcoin, Zetacoin, Devcoin, Digital Coin. So none of these coins actually exist at the moment. What happened to these coins? They probably went to zero, or the people working behind them probably shut down, or they just couldn't survive the bear market. So the primary goal shouldn't be how much a coin can go up or how much hype is there, how much let's say a coin is at 95% discount or 99% discount, and you think that it will again go to its all-time high. Most coins don't go. Most coins don't even stay at the top 100. So we need to choose coins that can at least survive 2-3 years, even if the crypto market doesn't recover. So for that, let's start off with a boring coin called Bitcoin. It has survived all of the bear markets till now. Hopefully it will survive this one too. It is approximately uh, it is approximately 75% down from its all-time high, and let's say from the current price, if it goes to its all-time high, it will be a 4x return. So it is a safe coin. It keeps going. It's a stable network. It does not crash like Solana and stuff. It has the highest security. It is a store of value, and it's the safest thing you can go for in the crypto world. So this is the first coin I'm going to pick. That is Bitcoin. So the next coin is Ethereum, as you all have guessed. So Ethereum basically runs smart contracts like the NFTs. It is possible because of Ethereum. Different apps like Sushi Swap, other swaps is possible because of Ethereum. Web3 is basically possible because of Ethereum. So this is almost 75% down as well from its all-time high, and I believe this will probably survive. Vitalik Buterin is the founder, and it will probably survive this bear market. If it goes to its all-time high again, then it will give a 4.1x return. So that's the second coin. Let's go to the third coin. So the third coin is Polygon Matic. So Polygon was founded by an Indian founder, uh, and the team is pretty good. The best thing about this coin is the partnerships that it has done. It has partnered with Disney, with Pepsi, with a lot of huge Web2 companies, and the marketing team that Polygon has is amazing, and it just keeps on going. And even if it's a altcoin, it isn't as it has actually gone down less than Bitcoin. So it is 72% down from its all-time high, and if it reaches its all-time high again, then it will give a 4x. So that's a pretty good return for an altcoin, and it looks pretty safe. Now, nobody can say anything. We all saw what happened to Solana, but these guys look legit, and the marketing they have done is pretty great. So let's see what happens. That's my third choice. My fourth choice is Cosmos or Atom. So Cosmos is actually down 78%. So a little more than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it can actually go do a 4.5x from here if it reaches its all-time high again. So why do I like Atom? We cannot really predict in crypto which crypto will go up, which crypto will go down, what is the next trend, because in the last bull market the trends were NFT, play to earn games like Axie Infinity. Then before that it was probably a lot of DEXs or DApps, decentralized finance. So we can never predict what the next trend is going to be in crypto. So Cosmos, what is Cosmos is it provides its SDK upon which people can build new products in crypto. Okay, like Binance, the biggest crypto exchange, is actually built on Cosmos, and there are a lot of other projects, huge projects that are built on Cosmos. You can search it up, and that's the only reason I'm going to choose this, because it's basically kind of a mutual fund. If you guys know what that is, if you invest in Cosmos, you are basically investing in the whole ecosystem that Cosmos has. So that's my fourth pick, and my fifth pick is gonna be Polkadot. Now Polkadot is the most down. It is actually 92% down from its all-time high, and that is crazy. But that is actually good, because how much lower can it get, right? And it is actually at its support, that is $4.5. And how low can it go, Polkadot? And Polkadot is quite similar to Atom. They are actually competition, and I chose Polkadot because you also don't know between Atom and Polkadot which one will succeed, right? uh, Polkadot does parachain auctions, in which there are a lot of new chains that are introduced, like Moonriver is a Polkadot chain. Then I think Akala is a Polkadot chain. So lot of different blockchains can be created from Polkadot, and that benefits the dot token. How does it benefit the dot token? When the parachain of auctions occur, you can actually vote with your dot coin which project you want to which project you want. So if you vote for, let's say, Akala and let's say Moonriver with your dot coin, then your dot gets locked for around 2 to 4 years, and you actually start getting rewards in Akala and Moonriver coin. So it is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool token. Its all-time high was at probably $55, and if it can reach its all-time high, then it will give a 11x. So that is pretty great. So these are the five coins I think that will survive the bear market. And Podot's founder is also, I think, worked in Ethereum previously, and he wanted to build his own crypto, so he founded Dot. So those are the coins. Now, obviously, the most of the portfolio should be in Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are all altcoins, so they should be in the 10% to 20% region of your portfolio. So let's give, I want to say some other coins too, which can give good returns, which are also alternatives. So Phantom, okay, Phantom is a layer one solution. Let me actually go in the coin market cap. Phantom is a layer one solution, just like Solana, ADA, and all of these coins. Let me go. Phantom. Where is it? Phantom. Here it is, Phantom. It is up today. All the coins are up today actually. So it actually went to, I think, how much? $3. It went to $3. Now it's at 22 cents. So it's also 90, 93, 94% down. So the upside is pretty huge in Phantom. The development is quite active in Phantom. Uh, Phantom was actually kind of a alternative to Solana, but now that Solana has died almost due to all the dumping that Alameda is doing. So you can consider Phantom. So I already told my top 5. These are the other 5. You can say this is the top 10 version. So this is going to be Phantom. There's number 6. Then number 7 is going to be BNB. Okay. So what is BNB used for? BNB is Binance's coin. This is the largest exchange in crypto, Binance. Now after FTX, we don't know what will happen to Binance. So, but still, it's a good coin. The discount in BNB is actually pretty low. I think it's 60% or 65% down from its all-time high, which is nothing compared to other cryptocurrencies. I don't know how it is holding up so nicely, but anyways, it is used for fees in the Binance exchange. You can also stake it, and you can use it in the launch pads that Binance does, so you can get new coins. Like Matic was actually a part of Binance launchpad at a time, so it actually produces great coins, the Binance launchpad. So BNB is also a good choice. The next coin that I'm going to say is Solana. So as I said that Solana is a dead coin. All the developers are running, all the projects are running away from Solana, but that is what makes it great actually. The discount is pretty huge. So it was at a point it was $260, and now it's only $13. So if you want to take a contra bet, basically nobody is touching Solana at the moment. So if you want to take a bet against the whole market, you can take maybe 1 to 2% allocation in Solana. That might be a decent idea. If it fails, it fails. But if Solana can recover from here, that's going to be like Amazon did in after the dot-com bubble. Nobody wanted to touch Amazon. It was 95 to 96% down, and look today, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce company. So that can be the philosophy to go behind Solana, and that's another coin. So this is the second last coin that I'm going to recommend. That is Maker coin, MKR, I think. Wait a second. So this is the Maker coin. So it is actually also pretty down. I think its all-time high was at $5,000 or something. Yes, it was at $5,000, and now it's at $500. So it's 90% down from its all-time high. But it has also it is at a support. You can say it is at a support. The next support is at $250. So why am I suggesting Maker? So Maker is kind of a market leader in the DAO space. So what is DAO? DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. It's basically a company. So what is Maker? Maker is kind of a bank. It gives you loans. So let's say if you want a loan against your Bitcoin, so you can deposit your Bitcoin in Maker, and they will give you DAI. DAI is a stable coin just like USDT. So a lot of people use Maker for that. They take loans, and when you can repay your loan by giving the DAI back, and they will give your Bitcoin back. So that's kind of how it works. So this is kind of a bank, kind of like if you are buying stocks, you also buy financial sector stocks like whatever the banking stocks are. So this is kind of kind of the bank of the cryptocurrency market. So that's why I mentioned this. But this is super risky. The reason is after the fail of Luna and UST, there can be pretty good regulation coming against this you die also. So you have to watch out for that. But it is worth the risk. If you do not invest too much, you can invest, let's say, 1 to 2% of your portfolio. So that is good for maker. And the last coin that I'm going to suggest is going to be GMX. So this is the GMX coin. So why am I suggesting GMX? This is the 10th coin that I'm suggesting. So GMX is actually kind of a decentralized exchange. You can trade cryptocurrencies there. You can do futures, basically do long and shorts on different cryptocurrencies on GMX. And GMX is also used as a reward token. If you provide liquidity in the GMX, uh, you can get the GMX coin in return. So that's also a utility of this coin. So why am I recommending this? After the fall of FTX, nobody really, the trust in centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, FTX has reduced a lot. So people are going to be using dexes a lot, just like GMX, Sushi Swap, uh, GMX, Sushi Swap, Uniswap, and um, in all the basically dexes, GMX stands out the most because it is basically gaining volume a lot quicker than the other dexes. GMX recently crossed the volume of Uniswap in a single day. So that's a pretty good achievement. And I think the founders are good in GMX's case. Like we saw in Luna, that Do Kwon, the founder, was kind of arrogant. If someone suggested something, he actually called them poor or didn't take the advice. But the founders of GMX actually take criticism. They look into their code. They want to fix it. They want to make a better product. So that's what I like in this case. And they have actually risen from 500 rank to 80 rank today, and they can rise even more. That's what I believe. But this is also quite risky because dexes can get banned due to regulation and stuff. So you have to do not allocate too much of your capital in these kind of coins. Top 5 should be the most safest ones according to me, and these are the kind of riskier ones. So thank you for watching the video. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, like the video, leave a comment on how I can improve the video. I know I have to improve my speaking skills. I haven't really spoken for such a long time, for such long duration before for a video. So thanks for watching. That's it.